Hey, this is a video for 6.1, Renewable and Non-Renewable Resources. So go ahead and check out the overview and set up your guided notes. So let's start with renewable resources. These are any resources that are replenished naturally, either at or near the rate of consumption. We have hydroelectric, solar, geothermal, and wind energy. Now, it's very difficult to, we're not going to get rid of the sun. If we get rid of the sun, we're basically all dead. So solar energy is definitely easy to comprehend as renewable. Hydroelectric is related to the flow of water. Wind is also, related to the flow of air currents. And all three of these, wind, hydroelectric, and solar, are all related to the sun. The reason we have rivers flowing is because we have different seasons. We have melting and freezing of water. The rivers are flowing typically from, higher up in elevation to the oceans, and it is driven by the hydrologic cycle, which is powered by the sun. The different temperatures that we have on Earth are creating wind currents. So these three, solar, hydroelectric, and wind, are all powered by the sun. Geothermal is obtaining the energy from deep within the Earth's surface. If you've ever seen a video or a photo of like Yellowstone National Park and you have these geysers, these steam vents shooting up into the air, that is an example of geothermal. And we'll talk about this in future videos. Now we have potentially renewable resources, and these are resources that cannot be depleted if they are used sustainably. So one is manure. Manure is, defecation from animals. This actually is from a horse. Those are my hands. Yes, I was holding this in Ecuador and using it to fertilize a garden. Corn or any other biomass is a potentially renewable resource, as long as we are not destroying the soil and using sustainable agricultural methods. We could grow corn basically indefinitely. Wood is another sustainable, if used sustainably, it is renewable. That's why it's potentially renewable. And finally, charcoal is basically wood that has been heated in a very, very low oxygen content in order to remove the water content and any of the volatile compounds. So charcoal is like what you would put in your grill in summer. And then we have non-renewable resources. And these are basically fossil fuels and uranium. So fossil fuels would be natural gas, which is basically methane. We have petroleum, and we have coal. This is some oil that has been leaking up into the soil. So we have, again, natural gas, petroleum, and coal are fossil fuels. They are non-renewable. We will definitely be talking about these in future videos, but they take millions of years to form. Uranium is found in rocks, in particular ores, and uranium, once used, it cannot be replenished. So what I would like you to do is respond to this check for understanding. And now for our FRQ practice. Explain what makes a source of energy potentially renewable. I hope that this video was informative. I thank you for your attention, and I will see you soon.